This video is going to show you how to configure SSLVPN with certificate authentication. Since certificate authentication is based on basic SSLVPN, so we have prepared a basic SSLVPN configuration first. Here it is. And we try to dial up to confirm the validity of the basic SSLVPN configuration. Here we can see it is OK. Now we begin to configure certificate authentication. Here we have prepared a Microsoft CA server. By the way, you can also use certificates issued by commercial CA. That would be more convenient. The first step is to download a CA certificate. We choose the format as base64. Rename it as CA. Now we go back to Hillstone Firewall. Here we use Firewall as a tool to generate client certificate for SCVPN client. Here we create a key first and name it as SCVPN test and modify the key modulus into 2048 for its security. Then we create a trust domain and name it as SCVPN test. We import the CA certificate we have just downloaded. Choose the key pair we have just created. Then edit the subject as you will. Rename it as SCVPN test. Country as US. And location as Santa Clara. States as California. Organization as Hillstone. Then we click Apply Certificate to generate certificate request file and copy it onto the certificate server. Request a certificate. Paste here and modify the template as web server. Click Submit. And then download the certificate. Rename it as SCVPN test local. Then we import the certificate we have just downloaded into the local certificate column. Then OK. Now the generation of client certificate is done. We are about to export it. Content as PKCS12. And we set a password here. Try to memorize the password because we will need it later. And export. Name it as SCVPN client .pfx. Do not forget the suffix because it's necessary. Now we have got the client certificate. For the key and trust domain we have just used, it's now become useless. It's recommended to delete it. You can repeat these two steps if you have more than one SSLVPN client. Then we create a trust domain for CA authentication. Import CA certificate. Then OK. Now we go back to client's PC to install the client certificate. Type the password we have just set it and click Next to finish the installation. We can confirm it by checking the local certificate list. Here we can see. Now we go back to Hillstone firewall. Go to the SSLVPN setting. We modify the config. Click Advanced Configuration. Go to Client. We enable authentication and choose Trust Domain as SSLVPN. Then confirm. Now the settings is all done. We try dial-up again. The mode we choose use word password with digital certificate. And OK. Type the password. Login. And we can see the dial-up is working. And we can see the user in the user list. That's all about this video. Thanks.